Expedia reservations honest review. Watch before using booking travel online seems easy, but the surprising truth is that most travelers overpay or miss critical booking details that can ruin their trip. Expedia is one of the world's largest online travel booking platforms, allowing users to book flights, hotels, car rentals, cruises, and vacation packages in one place. Its biggest advantage is price comparison. Instead of visiting multiple airline or hotel websites, Expedia shows you multiple options side by side. One powerful feature is bundled discounts. When you book flights and hotels together, you can often save up to 15% compared to booking separately. That can mean hundreds of dollars saved on a family vacation. Expedia also offers flexible cancellation filters, user reviews, and price alerts, so you can track when fares drop. Many people do not realize that turning on price alerts can prevent booking at peak prices. However, you must always read cancellation and change policies carefully. Some discounted fares are non-refundable, and that is where many travelers get burned. Used correctly, Expedia is a powerful tool for saving money and simplifying trip planning. Subscribe for more honest travel platform reviews.